Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Lombana and I'm a full-time realtor, but I'm also the founder of the Agent Wealth Farm here with eXp Realty. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the top 3 reasons why agents are failing within the first 5 years. Now, one of the craziest statistics that I've read is that between 85 and 90% of realtors will fail within the first 5 years. So again, in this video, I'm gonna show you the reasons why and maybe what you can do so you're not part of the statistics, all right? Now, before we get started with the video, make sure that you click the subscribe button, make sure that you click the bell because I'm putting brand new videos every single week that's going to help you grow your business and dominate your local market, all right? Reason number 1 is the failure to account for upfront expenses. Now, I remember when I first started in 2016, I was very excited. I just finished my real estate course. I found a brokerage that I wanted to work with. And guess what? It took me about 3 to 4 months to close my first deal. And the one thing that nobody told me, but of course it makes sense, is that my brokerage still wanted to get paid their monthly fees. I still had to pay insurance and I still had to pay for the signs and business cards. Again, there were a lot of expenses that I never thought about. So of course, because those expenses were unexpected, I was stressing out in not selling that house because of course I was spending so much money, but there was no money coming in. So the way that I would do things different to overcome this is of course to make sure that you have at least 6 months of living expenses saved out in your bank account. So in case you don't sell a house for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, you're still going to be able to pay for your bills. And of course, you're going to be able to just live your life without so much stress, okay? Reason number 2 is the lack of training and mentorship. Okay, so one of the things that you have to be aware is that as soon as you get your license, even though you have a license and you can sell houses, by the time you actually get to sell a house, you're going to be completely lost. That's how I was when I started. I had my license, I went to sell a house, and I have like 1,000 questions going on in my head, and I wasn't really sure how to sell it, how to fill a contract, how to make sure that everything's fine. So I was lucky that I was with a brokerage that were very supportive with me. So that's kind of what you have to do. You have to make sure that you're finding a brokerage that have a lot of training on the legal stuff, contracts, all that stuff, because I'm telling you, even though you're a brand new agent with a license, there is so many things that you still have to learn. And of course, the brokerage is the entity or the people that are going to help you go through that. Now, if we talk about mentorship, and this is something that has changed my business, you have to find somebody that's going to help you grow your business, okay? Because the brokerage is there to help you with the contract filling and all the legal stuff, but having a mentor is definitely going to help you grow your business exponentially. So there are 2 different things and people confuse them all the time. So for example, myself, my brokerage is eXp Realty, okay? Why did I choose eXp Realty? Because they have over 40 live classes per week, every single week that I can join and learn about contracts, about new rules, again, everything legal about the real estate side of things. But I'm also part of the Wolfpack team with eXp. So the Wolfpack team is pretty much a team of successful realtors that help each other grow their business. So what we do is we actually share on a weekly basis tactics on how to grow on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. Again, door knocking. Again, it doesn't really matter, but as you can see, there is the eXp side of things that teach me and make sure that I'm good on the legal side of things. And then I have a mentor through the Wolfpack and all the other realtors that support each other to make sure that everybody grows as a business, okay? So again, If you want more information about the Wealth Pack or the Agent Wealth Farm, which is my team and how I support other people, there's going to be a link below this video. Of course, you can book an appointment, we can talk about it and see what are the benefits and how we're going to mentor you, help you grow your business. And the third reason why I think most realtors fail within the first 5 years is because they don't know how to bring leads into their business. Again, I was lucky because I've been in business, other businesses for about 20, 25 years. So I've learned how to bring leads into my businesses. But what I see is that most realtors that get into the business, they came from another profession where they didn't really need to worry about bringing leads, because if you're working for somebody else, the leads come in, you don't focus on it, somebody else is, all you have to do is do your job. But because real estate, you become your own boss, then nobody's going to send you leads. So what most people do, or most realtors do, is they either learn how to get leads themselves or they pay companies to bring them leads. Now, in my opinion, the best thing that you can do and the best investment that you can do in your business is for you to learn how to bring leads to your business yourself, okay? So don't pay anybody, learn how to do it, because I'm telling you, that's probably the best investment that you can make in your business, okay? So again, the reason number 3 why most realtors are failing within the 5 years is because they don't have any leads. They don't know how to bring leads, so they end up either joining a team, which the team will take a big chunk of their commission, or they hire these expensive marketing companies that they can't keep paying over and over and over. So again, my opinion, learn how to fish for yourself, learn how to bring leads yourself, and I guarantee you that you're going to be fine, because without leads, there is no commissions, right? So there you have it, guys. Those were the top 3 reasons why I think most realtors will fail within the first 5 years, and of course, how to fix it. Now, if you have any questions, any concerns, or if you would like to learn how to bring leads into your business without door knocking, cold calling, or even hiring those expensive marketing companies, all you have to do, there is going to be a link below this video. Book an appointment with me, 10-15 minutes on the phone. We'll talk about it and I can explain to you how it works, all right? But besides that, hopefully you got tons of value out of this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.